All right, guys, the brand new Genesis GV60 is finally here. Today we'll be going over the sound systems and everything it entails. This thing has 17 speakers with 1400 watts. Okay guys, when we're talking about the premium sound that the B&O Olufsen has, go ahead and click sound premium. All right, so you have your reference, which is going to be your stock sound, nothing special. Then we click on the surround, and you guys see this meter here? That's you being able to dictate how much you want these speakers to amplify. It has 1400 watts and 17 speakers. So you guys see here, you have the speed dependent volume control. If you go ahead and click that, basically what this is going to do, while you're speeding up, your audio volume is going to increase or decrease based on your speed. Okay, now you guys see you have your startup max volume. That's in case if you have your speaker turned all the way up, you get out your car, you forget to turn it down. When you start your car, you don't want to blow out your eardrum, so you want to make sure you have this clicked. That way it's going to turn on at the factory setting. So that's this menu. Let's go back. Now you have the B&O Sonic, which is going to give you 4 different moods. You have your bright, energetic, warm, and relaxed. You can take this toggle and basically set what type of mood you want for your music. You can also position it how you like it. So if you want the speakers all the way in the front, you can go ahead and do that. If you want it in the back, you can do that. Or you can keep it in the center. So next we're going to have the guidance, where you can choose your guidance volumes. They're for one, so you can make sure you can set it how you like it. Then you have your charging voice prompts. It's going to let you know when your vehicle is charging, how loud it's going to be. When you plug it up, it'll say vehicle now charging. You can have it at a low, medium, or a high. You can even turn it off. Your navigation voice guidance, you can mute once you're near your destination. Next, you're going to have your navigation alerts, which is going to be on the lookout for speed cameras. So also you have a camera alert distance, so you can see where those speed cameras are. If you go ahead and unclick this, you can set an alert distance for when you're on local roads. You have 400 feet, 0.25 miles, or 0.5 miles. You also have it for on the highway with the same. All right, guys, so if you're on the phone and you still want your navigation to play, all you gotta do is uncheck that box, so that way you can still know where you're headed. You have your navigation volume priority. So again, if you're listening to some music, once it's coming up for a turn, it will go ahead and lower your music so you can hear your navigation. You can mute it, and you can also have a welcome sound when you open your door. So use the map screen volume buttons. It's gonna adjust the volume by only using the volume buttons on the map screen. Or you can use the map screen volume buttons or volume knob, which is going to adjust the volume using the volume buttons on the map screen, or by turning the volume knob when navigation guidance is playing. All right, guys, next we're going to be discussing the active sound design, which is really cool. So you have 3 different modes. I'll be discussing that later. But while you're driving, you can have the smallest change, moderate change, or largest change, okay? So we have futuristic. Futuristic is going to give you a futuristic driving sound for your electric car. You have the G engine, which is going to give you a sporty sound. And then you have the E motor, which is going to give you a natural sound. You can also customize it to how you want, clicking this little gearbox here. So you got your master volume, which is going to provide a selected sound style, modifying it by adjusting the volume control on your accelerator pedal response, which you can do here. You have your fast, normal, or slow. And you can select which EV sound you want to mod. Next, you're going to have your radio noise. You got the original sound, which is going to allow a full signal to come through without reducing any background noise. You have minimum noise reduction, which balances the original sound with some reduced background noise. Then you have the maximum noise reduction, which is going to maximize your background noise, and it may affect the original sound. Then we have our driver assistance. This is how you can turn these things on or off, the sounds at least, how loud they're going to be. You can turn it up some, medium, and then you have low, or you can turn it off. You have your connected device volume. So this is for your Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto. You can go ahead and modify the media and your voice prompts for both Android and Apple. So if you guys like the information provided today, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, with Proctor, there's no gamble.